Hey guys, here we are at our newest listing, 404 Chandlers Wharf. You'll live right downtown Portland. You are at the entrance to the heart of the Old Port. Great places to eat, great places to walk, wonderful places to get coffee. Come and experience Portland at its best here at Chandlers Wharf. Hey, this is one of my favorite features of this condo, a private deck overlooking the city of Portland and the Casco Bay. You're going to get amazing sunsets from this view. Hey guys, Nick Danbury here at Danbury Guerin Real Estate Advisors. If you want more information about this condo, give us a ring. We set up a private showing. Just call or email 207-553-2400 or team@danburyguerin.com. We'd love to show you your new home.